The past simple tense is an essential tool for describing historical building developments in architecture. By using this tense,
we can accurately convey the timeline of construction, design changes, and significant events that shaped a building's past. In this essay, we will explore how the past simple tense is used in architectural descriptions and provide numerous examples to illustrate its application. One common use of the past simple tense in architecture is to describe the construction period of a building. For example, we can say, "The Eiffel Tower was built between 1887 and 1889. This sentence clearly indicates the time frame in which the construction took place, allowing us to understand the historical context of the building. Additionally, the past simple tense is used to describe design changes or modifications that occurred during a building's construction. For instance, we can say, "The original design of the Sydney Opera House was revised several times before construction began." This sentence highlights the iterative process of design development and how it influenced the final outcome of the building. Furthermore, the past simple tense is used to narrate significant events or milestones in a building's history. For example, we can say, "The Taj Mahal was completed in 1653 after 22 years of construction." This sentence emphasizes the completion of the building as a major achievement and provides a clear timeline of its development. In addition to these examples, the past simple tense can also be used to describe architectural styles, materials, and techniques that were prevalent in the past. For instance, we can say, "Gothic cathedrals were characterized by their pointed arches and stained glass windows." This sentence showcases the distinct features of a particular architectural style and how it influenced building design in the past. Overall, the past simple tense is a crucial tool for describing past building developments in architecture. By using this tense effectively, we can provide a detailed and accurate account of a building's history, construction process, and significant events. Through numerous illustrative examples, we have demonstrated how the past simple tense can enhance our understanding of architectural heritage and the evolution of building design over time.